Hi, everybody. So we are here today to do a demonstration of two limited edition colors that I would normally never wear, actually, but we thought it would be fun to put them on together. They kind of look the same, but they're not. We're going to do Midnight Muse on me.
And Team Wicked on me.
And as you know, I'm Aviva, and this is...
I'm Billy.
There you go. All right, so we're going to try and do these two colors. I think Midnight Muse is a little bit more blue.
Yes, and this has more of a purple.
Yeah.
Is Midnight Muse more of a matte? Because this one's a shimmer.
I think it is actually. Midnight Muse, yeah, is more matte, and then that one has a bit more shimmer in it. Yep. So we've got two really dark colors here. We're going to see how it goes. It might look ridiculous. Who knows? It's going to be fun. All right. So as always, make sure you shake up your LipSense, get all that good stuff going in there, and you want to apply 3 thin layers. All right. Crack the seal on mine. This is brand new. I've never tried this on. I'm probably going to look ridiculous.
I've never tried this one on either.
Oh my God.
So
oh, look how blue. Look how blue this actually looks. Can you see that?
And mine's purple. More on the
wow,
purple.
That's so cool. Oh my God.
But a lot of people wonder if they're similar, so.
All right, we're going to try it. Wish us luck. So as always, 3 thin layers of LipSense going in one direction and letting them dry in between.
This is going to look crazy.
Oh my God. I feel like I definitely need to line my lips with this.
Yeah.
This is so dark. This is coming off really blue. Oh my God, look at my lip. Okay.
I have a feeling you're going to be able to pull this off, though.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, if I were to ever wear this again, I'd line first.
My God, I'm not talented enough to put this on. Okay. I have 1 layer of Midnight Muse on. Look at you. Oh my God. That looks like kind of more gray purple right now, and mine's so much more blue than I thought it would be.
It is very blue.
Okay. All right. So as always, let the layers dry in between. Make sure you're applying thin layers. Let's go for the second layer here. I think mine's nice and dry and messy and sloppy because this is really hard to apply. Okay, let's try.
Oh God.
Okay. This is hilarious. I would never wear this color, but this is fun.
It doesn't look bad on you, though. I'm done with layer 2. You're a little more perfectionist than I am.
I'm trying, but it's really hard.
It makes your teeth look white.
Oh my God. I got like patches over here. Hold on.
I'll do touch up.
I'm a bit OCD. Okay.
Yeah, I'm touching up.
Is this looking good? Oh my God, look at these colors. These are hilarious. Okay. We only have 1 more layer to reveal the true color of Midnight Muse and Team Wicked.
Yeah, I almost feel like I might need to put another layer on.
That's okay. Okay, 1 more. Oh my God.
Yeah. Maybe not.
This is way more blue than I thought it would be. Which is pretty cool, actually.
This is more on the purple.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually not that bad.
Okay. I did not apply this the best because, surprisingly, it's not super easy to apply really dark blue lipstick. But if you practice, I'm sure it would be. And if this is like a color of your jam, this would be amazing, I'm sure. Because this actually looks pretty cool. I don't know if I would wear this as like an everyday color. But maybe a special occasion or maybe to layer, it would be really cool.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
And that is like more gray purple than I thought it would be, but I like it.
Yeah.
All right. So I think we can keep it kind of yellow. What do you guys think of these colors? You have to let us know which one you're liking best so far. They're both limited edition, actually, so if this is your kind of color, then you definitely need to get your hands on it, because once they're gone, and these are actually pretty fun. So we have Team Wicked, Midnight Muse. We need to put our gloss on now. I don't know if I should put Pearl on to kind of like change how it looks, or if I should just go with regular glossy. What do you think? You're going. What are you going with?
Do half and half. Do
half and half. The way you
Pearl
say
on
like
one.
half.
Pearl on one and
Okay.
glossy on the
All right,
other.
I'm gonna do pearl on the bottom and glossy on the top, and then we'll just mix
Just
them
so
and
they can
what
see the
happens.
difference.
Okay, I'm gonna do glossy on top. My white wand. I always love showing that off. It's like my magic trick. Okay, am I doing glossy on top? Yeah.
I want to make sure mine's dry. Also white wand.
Okay. There you go. Look, it's still white. See? We just put it on top of like basically black lipstick and it's still white. Magic trick. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to touch my lips together. Okay.
Well, you're just putting glossy on right now.
I am, okay. Alright, now let's put pearl on the bottom and see if it changes anything. Okay, wait, let me get a close up in the camera here so you can
Girl,
see.
I think this is your jam.
Okay.
You should wear that
You
more
can see
often.
the color? Oh god. Can you imagine what my husband would say if I show up like this? It's a good thing he's not here right now. Alright, I'm gonna put pearl on the bottom and see what happens here. Ooh! Gives it like a pearly sheen. Surprise that. Alright.
Yeah, I would not wear this color anymore.
Okay, so that's pearl on the bottom because it's a bit like pearly. I'm gonna put that on the top too. I'm just gonna go for it.
Just go for it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, white wand again. Magic trick. Alright.
So
What
that
do you
is. It looks like mine looks black in the photo, like in the webcam, but it's actually really, I think, more purple.
I think it's like a purpley gray, which is kind of cool, and mine's more like bluish. I actually am kind of digging this. I'm not gonna lie.
That's what I said. I think you could rock it.
Can I
Couldn't
rock
she
this?
rock that?
I feel like a rocker chick right now. I think I actually kind of like this. I don't know what my husband would say. Actually, I do know what my husband would say. I can't say it on camera though. But I kind of like it. All right, so that was Midnight Muse on my side,
And Team Wicked on mine.
and we can do the lip test like always. Should we do a finger test?
Sure.
Nothing. Nothing.
Stay put.
I love it. That's amazing to have such a dark colored lipstick and nothing comes off. That's amazing. All
I
right.
think it's great.
So that is Midnight Muse and Team Wicked. If you guys want to grab it, you know who to call. Myself or Billy, of course. These are limited edition colors, so get your hands on them while you can. This was way too much fun, you guys.
We'll have to do this again.
Yes, maybe with some other crazy colors. All right. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.